Welcome to Wellness for Life. My name is Missy Lindo. I'm a physical therapist assistant and lifestyle counselor with the Weight Management Center at CHI St. Joseph's Health in Park Rapids. Thanks for joining us today. Anytime we start talking about weight management, most of our patients come with lots of questions regarding nutrition, food, supplements. I'm excited to share with you today some basic information from one of the members of our multidisciplinary team, registered and licensed dietitian, Amy Luther.
Thank you for the introduction, Missy. As Missy stated, a lot of people come to our program with a lot of questions regarding their diet and nutrition. Diet and nutrition are main components when you're talking about weight management. We make daily food choices every single day, and our food choices rely on a lot of different things. Our food choices are going to depend on what food is available to us, what we're hungry for, what our preferences are. There are also a lot of other things such as ethnicity and our heritage and our family background that influence what foods we're eating. There's also a big portion of our food choices that are influenced by our emotions and how we're feeling. So a lot of people come to talk with a dietitian to learn better ways to manage their food choices and how to make the best ones for their health. Foods provide us with all of the nutrients that our body requires throughout the day that support the growth and the development and the maintenance of our health. We do break food down into 6 different classes of nutrients. We have carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and then vitamins, minerals, and water, which is a vital proponent of our nutrition. As far as the macronutrients go, those are some of our energy yielding nutrients. The macronutrients that we focus on are carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Carbohydrates are one of the main sources of fuel for our body. They help with developing cellular structure and then just giving us the energy that we need throughout the day. Fat is another one of the important macronutrients that we try to educate our patients well on. Fat is a compound that's used in a number of molecular processes. It helps with brain development, also with developing cellular structures in our body. So fat is something that is essential that we need to get through the foods that we eat in our diet. Protein contains various amino acids, which are the building blocks for many of the structures in our bodies. One of the main ones, and the one that a lot of people are familiar with, is that protein helps with developing and building lean muscle tissues in our body. And that is something that we try to encourage among our patients, is to get adequate protein in their diet so that as they're progressing on their weight loss journey, they're not losing the muscle tissues and those lean body tissues so that they can maintain healthy body functions. Next, along with those 6 classes of nutrients, we have what are called the micronutrients. These consist of our vitamins and our minerals, and then we also have water as well, which is an important nutrient in our diet. Vitamins and minerals are things that help to facilitate the digestion and absorption of other nutrients, the macronutrients that we previously discussed, and they also play a key function in developing and building some of the tissues in our body, such as our bone tissues. Micronutrients are something that are very important for us to get enough of throughout the day. As far as getting adequate nutrients from your foods, when you do limit the amount of food you're eating in your diet, some of those micronutrients may fall short. So one of the standards that we often recommend for patients within our weight management program is to include a daily multivitamin so that we're sure they're getting enough of the nutrients throughout the day. Water is also an important nutrient in an overall healthy diet. Water is part of many metabolic processes, and it's also something that our body uses to help eliminate waste products from breakdown of food. So it's important that you get adequate water and are adequately hydrated throughout the day, and this is something that we try to encourage amongst all of our patients as well. As you can see from the diagram on the screen right now, our total body composition is made up of all of these nutrients that we just discussed. There's a large portion of our body that is made up of the muscle or the protein that we eat in our diets, and there's also portions of our body that are essential fats required for the absorption of nutrients. And then we also have mixed in the carbohydrates, the micronutrients or vitamins and minerals, and also water. We help patients who are part of our weight management program build off of these basic understandings of nutrition and health. They utilize the tools that we give them and the knowledge and information provided during their one-on-one sessions to help to build and develop their personal plan with their health and wellness goals. If you are interested in taking the first step on your health and wellness journey, please contact the number on the screen. We look forward to working with you and helping you achieve your health goals.
Thank you for watching Wellness for Life.